Yeah! This is what it would be like if your radio had TiVo, the best of Holmberg's morning sickness.
Hey there, everybody. It's John Holmberg. Thanks for enjoying the best of Holmberg's morning sickness while we're on vacation.
Here's more of the best of Holmberg's morning sickness. 98 KUPD.
Didn't even think of this. Somebody text this over here on Take Your Rat Kid to Work Day. What happens if you get the crap can today? Do you want your kid to see that?
You tears curl up in the corner.
You don't see it coming, but it's, budget cuts have come down. The quarter wasn't as good as they thought. David, can I see you in my office real quick, eh? Yeah, I can bring my son. This will be interesting to see how meetings work. Yeah. See how meetings work. That'll be fun. David, you do a decent job for us here. Company's not doing real well.
How about you're at work with your son or daughter and the chick that you're banging on the side?
Yeah, what about that? Goes nuts on you. So this is our boy. If I was the one to blame for all I've heard, I'm not sure. I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet you there. I don't care. I'm so horny. That's okay, but
The morning sickness.
wanna love ya, wanna bug ya, wanna squeeze ya, stupid girl. Wanna touch ya, wanna take ya, wanna touch ya, stupid girl. I can't say one, two, three. I wish I could eat your cancer when you turn back. Help. That's a shame. I'm gonna get a burrito. And then you're sitting in there with your $9.13 burrito and lemonade. That little kid's got tar on where his knee used to be.
Sorry, I only donate to AIDS.
Yeah. Does he have AIDS? That's what you say. Does he have AIDS? No, he's just got his knee was amputated. It's tarred. It's
Well,
tarred
that's
now.
my charity.
I only give to AIDS kids. Call me when they...
Brighten your day.
Yeah. And my floors.
Police in Houston raided a Zumba dance studio.
That'll happen.
No Zumba classes were happening there, just gambling. They had 40 motherboards from illegal gambling machines were seized, along with thousands of dollars in cash. Got a picture of the little strip mall that the Zumba dance studio's in, and there's the studio. All the motherboards are taken out by the machines.
They're just running. That's kind of a less than quiet operation they got going. They got a lot of machinery in the Zumba class. I think someone would have noticed earlier.
44-year-old Elizabeth Alfonso was driving drunk in Riverhead, New York on Friday morning. Apparently she really wanted a breakfast sandwich. She pulled into a drive-thru and ordered a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. What she thought was a drive-thru, it was actually the security booth outside of the jail. When the sheriff's deputy said, when I told her this is a jail, I can't make you a breakfast sandwich, she still didn't take no for an answer. She got a DUI.
Oh boy.
Not bad.
She was on a...
She's a looker.
She was
She's
messed
hungry.
up. I've never been that drunk.
No. That's a level of drunk you have to really fight to get to.
Guy says, John, have you seen this guy yet? Beggar I just passed had a sign that said, bet you can't hit me with a quarter. Pelted him with 75 cents first try.
That's a good trick.
I'm thinking about circling
Yeah,
around.
that's a good idea. That's pretty solid. Nice sign.